What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to be introducing you all to a new crypto project called Sone Ki Chidiya. Okay, so they are currently giving out up to 200,000 SKC tokens reward, which is worth about 20 USDT to early users, guys. All right, so Sone Ki Chidiya is currently a free community rewards platform, and at present users primarily earn SKC rewards through the following methods. Okay, so firstly, guys, when you invite your friends down to the project, you get rewards. All right, and when you actually build a team during that process, you also get a reward. And also, when you complete community tasks, you also get a reward. Okay, so there are tasks right here you need to complete on a daily basis to get rewards. And lastly, when you're actually active for daily interactions, you get a reward as well. Okay, so as you can see down here, it says receive $20 upon first linking an invitation code, and $10 daily by completing tasks, and more SKC tokens by inviting friends. Okay, so guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do all of this, to actually start earning these tokens as an early bird, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be holding you by your hands and walking you through the sign up process so you won't be left behind, guys. All right, so make sure you stick with me on through this video. Don't skip any part so you get your full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what to do here is to give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so whenever Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you'll always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourself right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. All right, guys, so here we are on the platform's website homepage right now, and as you can see right here, it says you missed Bitcoin 10 years ago. Are you going to miss out on Sone Ki Chidiya, which is being snapped up globally? Okay, and down here says free 200,000 SKC welcome reward for new members. Okay, so this is what is currently going on the Sone Ki Chidiya project, guys. All right, so you can easily read through all the informations down below here yourself to get more basic understanding on what is going on right here. Okay, so the Apple app is currently not available right now for downloading. Okay, you just have the Android apps for downloading at the moment. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down right now, guys. All right, so as you can see, lastly right here, it says after successful registration, don't forget to spend just 1 second each day opening the app and clicking daily activation to activate your strongest computing power. Let's meet up at the top. Okay, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do all of this in this video right now. Okay, so guys, the first step to take right here is hitting on this place over here that says register. Okay, so I'm going to hit on register right here, guys. So it's going to take me all the way down to the Google Play Store. Okay, so as you can see, this is the app, guys. Okay, as you can see over here, it already has about 10,000 plus downloads. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, guys, I'm going to be installing this app again on my phone, so I show you guys the complete process. All right, so I'm going to hit on this place down below here that says install. So guys, let's see how this goes. All right, so let's just give this some time to actually finish installation, and boom, guys, I'm going to proceed with the sign up. So I show you guys exactly how you can sign up on the Sone Ki Chidiya project. All right, so let's give this some time, guys. Okay, guys, so it's done downloading right now. So I'm going to hit on this place right here that says open. Okay, all right, so over here that says create account, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says create account. Here we are. So as you can see right here, you have different countries to actually select. You have India, you have Bangladesh, and you also have order. Okay, so if you are not from India or Bangladesh, all you just simply need to do is hit on this place right here that says order. All right, and over here that says full legal name, you just simply input your full legal name right here. Okay, so my name is David, and down below here that says email address, I'm going to input my email address, guys. Okay, so this is it. So right here that says invite code, without imputing a friend's invite code, you won't be giving the free 200,000 SKC tokens, which is worth 20 USDT, guys. Okay, so you actually need to impute an invite code. So I'm going to be leaving my invite code on the screen right now so you guys can easily impute it on your phone. I'm also going to be leaving the invite code on my Telegram channel and also the description of this video, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be imputing a friend's invite code over here. All right, so over here that says send verification code, I'm going to hit on it so they can actually send the verification code to my email, and then I simply go over to my email, I copy the code, and then I actually paste it right here. Okay, so as you can see, it says success. I'm going to hit on OK. So I'm going to head over to my email right now to just quickly copy the code, guys. Okay, so let's go. All right, guys, so as you can see over here, this is the email from Sone Ki Chidiya. So this is the code right here, 643516. Okay, so I'm going to head over there right now, guys. So let's go. All right, guys, so here we are. So I'm going to paste the code right here, 643516. I'm going to hit on this place right here that says create account and secure device. I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, so let's see how this goes, guys. I'm going to hit on continue right here. Okay, so as you can see over here, it says identity secured, and down here says important. Save your recovery code. It is your only backup. Okay, so what you just simply do is down below here that says copy to clipboard. You just simply copy it and then you save it on your notepad, guys. Okay, you can also do a screenshot, guys. I'm going to do a screenshot right now. Okay, but it is more preferable to actually copy to clipboard, which is copying the code down below here that says copy to clipboard, and then you simply save it on your notepad, guys. Okay, that is basically the best option to actually save the recovery code right here. Okay, so I'm going to quickly save this code on my notepad right now, and I'm going to be right back, guys. Okay, so let's go. All right, guys, so I'm done saving the code on my notepad right now, and down below here that says saved, I'm going to hit on save, guys. Okay, all right, so that is basically how you can do this, guys. All right, so as you can see over here, I've been giving 200,000 SKC tokens, as you can see up here, and it's actually worth $20, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can sign up by using a friend's invite code, and then you actually get your 200,000 SKC tokens, which is worth $20. Okay, so now that we're actually done with the sign up process, guys, as you can see right here, this is the main dashboard of the SKC token. Okay, my airdrop of 200,000 SKC tokens, which is what 20 USDT has been given to me, and if I actually keep on inviting more friends down here, I keep on getting more airdrop, guys. Okay, so that is basically how this is, guys. All right, so as you can see right here, there are different menus right here. The first one right here says chat. If I actually hit on the chat section right here, you would see that you can actually chat with friends over here, guys. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So I'm going to go back right now. So right here that says tempo, this is where you actually complete daily tasks, guys. Okay, if I actually hit on it right now, as you can see right here, it says digital tempo, and down below here it says light one lamp each day, and it says that 2,553,942 patriots have lit the lamp today. Okay, so how do you actually lit the lamp? All you just simply do is down below here that says light the lamp, you just simply hit on it, guys. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says reward added, lamp lit successfully, 50,000 SKC has been added to your SKC balance. So I'm going to hit on OK right here. Okay, so that is basically how you can light the lamp, guys. Right, so I'm going to go back. So when you actually come here each and every single day and you actually complete this task, you get 50,000 SKC tokens, which is worth $5, guys. That is basically how to actually accumulate more SKC tokens for yourself each and every single day. Okay, so right here that is one. If I actually hit on it now, as you can see right here, this is where you actually get to see your honor so far on the game. Okay, and you also get to see your invitation code right here. As you can see, this is my invitation code. So this is basically how it is, guys. All right, so over here that says share, if you actually hit on share right now, you actually get to copy your code and share with your friends. Okay, as you can see right here, it says your first successful system share each day adds 50,000 SKC to your SKC balance. So that is basically how you can invite your friends by hitting on the share button right here, and then you actually grab your link. Okay, when you actually grab your link, you just copy your link and then you actually give it to your friends, and boom, guys, that is basically how it is. All right, so I'm gonna go back, guys. Okay, all right, so as you can see, guys, additional 50,000 SKC token was added to my balance just because I actually clicked on that share button on the share section right here. Okay, so that is basically how you can get rewards on a daily basis just by being active right here on the SKC app, guys. All right, so that is it. So lastly right here, that is personal. If I actually hit on personal right now, as you can see over here, you actually get to terminate your account if you actually want to terminate your account down below here, and you also get to join their Telegram official channel and also join their YouTube channel right here. As you can see, these are the contacts right here. You can actually join. You can also contact them via email right here, as you can see, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can go about claiming your airdrop right now as an early user. Okay, so guys, this is all for this video today. I'm going to be updating you guys from time to time on how the project is going. Okay, so make sure to be a part right now as you are seeing this video so you won't be left behind, guys. Okay, so guys, if you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so you always get notified each time amazing videos like this one you just watched right now has been uploaded right here on this channel. So guys, thank you all for watching this video once more. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.